Hi guys, welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'll be doing a soft glam makeup perfect for this holiday season. Oh my god, it's already almost December. I'm filming this on Thanksgiving because we're just gonna have a small dinner at home, and you'll be watching this and it's already December, so time flies so fast and this year has been really crazy. But anyway, let's start first with the primer. I'm using the Ellana Mineral Cosmetics Sebocure primer, and I'm also gonna be uploading my best makeup of 2020, but it will mostly focus on local products or like Filipino products, since to be honest, I haven't explored a lot of international makeup brands this 2020 since it was pandemic and I wasn't really buying a lot of makeup anyway. But yeah, it'll probably be up next week. For foundation, I'll be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I was actually thinking of using this one, the tinted sunscreen from Sunglow by Fresh, but I realized we might take flash photos. I don't have my like magnifying mirror, like my my makeup mirror, like my vanity mirror, because my mom got it. Hopefully everything works out. Remember, I used to love buying makeup so much, but this year it wasn't like that, and I'm proud of myself that I kind of miss buying makeup. I keep receiving ColourPop emails. For concealer, I'll be using this Self Beauty Glam Up Concealer first in the shade 02, and I'm gonna use this as like a highlighter and concealer as well. This people thing here. Because this one's a little lighter, as you can see. And then I'll be using this e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Walnut to cover my blemishes and my pimples, pimple marks. Guys, it was so weird earlier because I suddenly sang like One Time by Justin Bieber, and then I was like LSS on it, and then I watched the music video from like 2011 or 2009, I don't remember, but it was his music video of One Time, and it brings back so much memories. I remember, I think I was still in first year high school or grade 6. I was a believer. Well, I kind of still am. Like, I still love him, but not as crazy as before. And then for the brows, I'll be using this Ellana Minerals Project Vanity in dark brown. I plucked my brows earlier, so hopefully it's better now. Guys, you know what? I'm actually scared since most of the eyebrow makeup that I love, well, this one and the K palette, it's not available here in this. Oops. By the way, guys, I'm kind of a little bit scared since the two eyebrow makeup that I love the most, which is this one and the K palette, they're both not available here in the United States, and I'm still looking for like a reseller of either of these that is affordable. And for the brow gel, of course, I'll be using this e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel Mascara. I still can't say the proper name of it because it's super long. But anyway, I love this. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll just be using this one first. Transition and base shade. And then I'll be using this one right here. Now let's move on to the fun part. Well, not really fun if you don't like eyeliner, but I have been enjoying brown eyeliners, and this is actually an eyebrow gel, but I haven't gotten myself an eyeliner, like a brown eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna use the same brown shade on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I'm just gonna put it on my brow bone. And then I'm also using that same shade. I'll be putting it on my inner corner. Just using this BLK Multitasking Contour Stick and the shade Cocoa. And I'll just be putting it on my freaking forehead. And on my non-existing jaw and here. And then I'll be using this Glam Squad from Happy Skin. For blush, I'll be using this Teviant Blush to Flush in the shade Arancia. But for tonight, I'm not gonna mix them both. I'll just be using the pink side. Let's go back to the Glam Squad again. I'm super sorry. For powder, I'll be using this Ellana Minerals Stay Poreless, I believe, on my T-zone and my under eyes. Because I want my look to be a little bit glowy, so I'm just gonna set my T-zone. And for that extra glow, I'll be using the Skin Potions Glow Dust in the shade Sizzle. It has that subtle glow that you can use all over your face. For lashes, I'll be using this Elsa from Paula Style Collection or P Style Collection on Instagram. And so this is how the falsies look like. And last but definitely not the least, for the lips, I'll be using this Ellana Minerals Satin Stain Shine in the shade #positivevibes. Oh my god guys, sorry I forgot to put on mascara, but this is my pahabol. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Happy holidays, and don't forget to click the like button, comment down below your next video suggestions, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.